In 2050, New York will not just touch the sky, it will think, move, and breathe like a living machine. Welcome to the AI-powered city of tomorrow. You are watching Future Mind AI, the channel where we explore the future of technology, innovation, and artificial intelligence. We take a journey into the year 2050 to imagine what New York City could look like in the age of artificial intelligence. By 2050, New York won't be only a city of steel, glass, and lights. It will be an intelligent organism powered by data and designed to create harmony between humans, machines, and the environment. Imagine walking through Manhattan, where every building, every streetlight, and every vehicle communicates with each other, learning in real time to make life smoother, safer, and more efficient. The skyline of New York in 2050 will be breathtaking. Most new buildings will be designed by AI architects that understand how to balance design, function, and sustainability. These futuristic towers will be made of smart materials, self-healing glass that repairs cracks on its own solar skins, that absorbs sunlight to power entire blocks, and structural frames that can adapt their shape according to wind or population density. The famous One World Trade Center might stand beside new AI-created skyscrapers that shimmer like digital sculptures, transforming as the city evolves. Downtown Manhattan could be home to vertical cities. Enormous towers that combine homes, offices, schools, hospitals, parks, and even entire ecosystems inside a single building. Each level would be controlled by intelligent sensors that monitor air quality, temperature, and light, constantly adjusting conditions to keep people comfortable and energy use minimal. By 2050, transportation in New York will be completely different. Traffic jams will be history. AI will control the flow of every vehicle, from self-driving electric cars to flying taxis that glide over the Hudson River. Subways will become autonomous pods that operate silently and efficiently, connected to an AI network that knows exactly where every passenger needs to go. Instead of waiting for a train, you'll just step into a pod that recognizes you and takes you directly to your destination. Even the Brooklyn Bridge might be reborn as a smart bridge, equipped with sensors that monitor vibration, traffic, and weather, while collecting solar energy to power nearby districts. Underneath the surface, AI will manage everything from water flow to waste systems, predicting failures before they happen. That means no more surprise blackouts, no floods, no overflows. The entire underground city will be alive with intelligent systems working silently to keep everything perfect. Climate change will still be one of humanity's biggest challenges in 2050, and New York will lead the way in adapting to it. AI-controlled seawalls will protect the city from rising tides, while floating neighborhoods will rise and fall naturally with the ocean level. These new communities, designed with AI precision, will not just survive climate change, but thrive in harmony with it. The edges of Manhattan may transform into futuristic energy parks, combining wind, solar, and tidal energy into one powerful, sustainable system. Life in New York 2050 will also change on a personal level. Homes will be fully adaptive spaces that respond to human emotion, voice, and behavior. Your apartment will sense when you wake up, brew your coffee, adjust the lights to your preferred color, and start your morning playlist, all before you even open your eyes. Walls will shift color based on your mood, windows will display information or become opaque for privacy, and AI assistants will become part of daily family life. They'll not just remind you of tasks, they'll understand your habits and even your feelings. Education will move beyond classrooms. AI-driven virtual teachers will provide personalized learning to every child in the city, ensuring no one is left behind. Healthcare will be smarter too. AI doctors will constantly analyze your health data, predict illnesses before they appear, and even send a medical drone to your location within minutes. In entertainment and tourism, the metaverse will merge with the real city. Visitors from anywhere in the world will explore New York virtually through hyper-realistic digital twins. Times Square will no longer be a collection of billboards, but a living digital art space, where every hologram, light, and advertisement adapts to the people standing below it. Central Park will have virtual layers where you can step into an augmented reality version of nature, meeting friends across the world as holograms right beside you. Even the city's emergency systems will evolve. AI drones will monitor safety, report fires, and respond instantly, while intelligent traffic lights will open emergency lanes automatically before an ambulance even arrives. Police will rely on predictive systems to prevent crimes rather than just solve them. Energy in 2050's New York will be decentralized. Every building will generate and store its own electricity, connected through an AI-managed grid that redistributes energy where it's needed most. Pollution levels will drop dramatically, and the air over Manhattan could finally be crystal clear. The skyline will glow with clean, sustainable power, a symbol of how technology and nature can exist in balance. Yet even in this futuristic world, New York's spirit will remain. The historic brownstones of Brooklyn, the art of Harlem, the creative chaos of Soho, all will coexist with the shimmering AI towers above them. Old and new, human and machine, past and future, will blend together in a way only New York can achieve. By 2050, the city that never sleeps will truly become the city that never stops thinking. Every light, every street, and every building will be alive with intelligence, responding to the rhythm of millions of people. New York will be more than just a place. It will be an experience, a connected organism, a masterpiece of human creativity enhanced by artificial intelligence. The dream of the future is no longer a fantasy. It's already being built. One algorithm, one sensor, and one vision at a time. Welcome to New York in 2050, the AI-powered city of the future.